Hi, my name is Morgan Keeley. I'm 8 years old and I live in East Greenville, Pennsylvania. When I was born, the doctors told my parents that I was born deaf. But I was really just waiting to hear. When I was 1 year old, I got my first implant and attended Clark School, and my grandmom used to have to drive me 1 hour to get there. And when you get an operation for your ears, you don't just hear when you go home. You have to attend a Clark School so they can teach you how to hear. And my teachers were so awesome, and they taught me how to hear really, really good. And when I was 3 years old, I got my second implant, and I attended Penview Christian School, and they were awesome too, and I just love it. And I would like to tell you a little bit about myself. I love to swim and do violin and gymnastics and do four-wheeling with my pop-up, and it was really hard to find a good helmet to fit over my ears. And one time we just found the perfect helmet, and I could really ride four-wheeler just with my new helmet. And I also have my own Facebook page, and because it's called Morgan's Magical Ears, and I pay it forward, and by donating lots of buckets to Children's Hospital, and they get filled with a lot of fun stuff for the children. And I've almost donated 500 buckets to a lot of people around the world. And thank you for listening to my story.